And now Jakub's gone and got his pet birds out.
Yes!
Yeah.
Let me...
He's
Guys,
got Screech
guess
out and
Guys,
then
guess
he's got Bobo out. Guess what? What is it? Tell me.
My teeth fall out.
Your teeth fell out. Oh my God. Did you put it under the pillow?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
got my pen.
You got £5. Oh no, really? That's not bad. Look at that. Bobo's on your hands. And Bobo's flying. Bobo, they all like to fly. They're all flying everywhere. Where are they going? Where are they gone? Where are they gone? Where are they gone? He's gone onto the sofa. Now let's see. Oh my God, Screech has gone onto the TV. They're really getting naughty, these birds now. They just love flying about. Come on, Screech. Back onto there. Where's Bobo? Oh my God, Bobo's landed on my head. Bobo has landed on my head. Now we're gonna, and then Screech has landed on the phone, on my hand. Right, here we go. Here we go, here we go. And then up. He's on my head. He's on my head. Let's see him on my head.
Screech! Screech!
Let's see him on my head.
He wants to see a cool trick, guys.
Yeah, cool trick, come on.
How to learn your birds how to fly. Do it gently, then they flap their wings.
Do it gently, then they flap their wings.
Yeah?
Yeah,
They
that's
learn
it,
how
that's
to
it,
fly.
that's it. Here he goes, here he goes. Yeah, back to base.
Yeah.
Back to base he's gone. Right, let's see. Let's see them. Up, 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 and away, and away. He's come to me, and where's Screech? You can't see him, but Screech has landed on my head. I don't know if you can see him, see? See, he's landed on my head.
Yeah.
Sitting on the head's his favourite place. Now let's put Bobo on Jakub's head. Stand there, Jakub. No, they don't like Jakub's head.
Why?
Jakub's head's not big enough. That's
No, I'm
why.
their boss.
You're their boss, that's why. They don't like sitting on the boss's head, that's why. There we go. And then we got, come on, little boo, yep. And now, shall we have a look at Tiny?
Yeah.
Yep,
Should I get tidy?
they're flying everywhere now. Let's put them back in.
Yeah. So we
Let's
can
put
get tidy up.
Bobo back in.
So we can get tidy up.
Let's put Screech back in. Screech doesn't want to go in, he's a naughty little.
Can we get tidy up?
And let's have a look at
Can we get tidy
Tiny.
up?
Huh?
I want to get tidy up.
You want to get Tiny out?
Yeah?
Tiny's a baby budgerigar we've been hand rearing from the age of 3 days. There's Tiny. Come on, Tiny. It's not feeding time yet. We call him Tiny because he's tiny. Come on, Tiny. Here we go.
Guess
Tiny.
what he does? Look.
What does Tiny do? He follows you everywhere. Tiny's just a naughty little bird that follows everyone. And he makes too much noise, Tiny does. Come on, Tiny. And he likes... Oops, he done poo-poo. We better get the tissue, Jakub. Go and get the tissue. Yeah, you record Tiny.
Yeah.
And we'll get the tissue.
This is Tiny. Tiny. He's a little buddy. He's a bird. He's a little buddy.
Remember,
Yeah.
we've got to always get disinfected.
Yeah.
Like these wipes, they got Dettol on them.
Yeah.
Disinfect the area really well, clean it up. But let's put Tiny back in now. Okay, and what we're going to, hold on, let's put Tiny here.
Tiny, he does.
Okay, and then, what do you have to say, Jakub?
Hit it from the.
And subscribe to Jakub's Bird World channel. Bye everyone for now.